The 2026 Marker Robotic Combat Vehicle represents a groundbreaking leap forward in the evolution of unmanned ground warfare systems. Developed as part of a joint initiative by Russia's Advanced Research Foundation and Android Technics, the Marker was originally conceived as a testbed for cutting-edge military AI and robotic technologies. Now, in its 2026 iteration, the Marker has evolved into a fully capable robotic combat platform, combining autonomy, firepower, and battlefield versatility in a compact, rugged package designed for modern hybrid warfare environments. At first glance, the Marker resembles a compact tank, but beneath its armored shell lies a network of advanced systems designed for combat, reconnaissance, and autonomous operations. With its modular architecture, the 2026 version offers unparalleled customization, allowing operators to outfit the Marker for specific mission profiles. Whether serving as a direct fire support unit, a logistics carrier, or a surveillance asset, the Marker adapts with ease to the changing dynamics of the battlefield. One of the key innovations in the 2026 Marker is its enhanced AI-driven autonomy. Unlike earlier unmanned ground vehicles that required significant remote control input, the Marker now navigates complex terrain using advanced neural network-based decision-making systems. Its onboard AI allows it to process sensor data in real time, plan routes, avoid obstacles, identify threats, and even distinguish between enemy forces and civilians, making it not only a powerful weapon but a responsible one in terms of battlefield ethics and rules of engagement. The vehicle is equipped with a wide array of sensors, including LiDAR, radar, optical cameras, and thermal imaging, allowing it to operate effectively in both day and night conditions, as well as in adverse weather. The combination of multispectral vision and machine learning gives the Marker an edge in detecting camouflaged threats or hidden mines, and contributes to its ability to function in urban or forested environments where line of sight is limited. In terms of mobility, the 2026 Marker features an upgraded tracked suspension system with enhanced ground clearance and dynamic terrain adaptation. It is capable of navigating inclines, muddy terrain, debris, and even shallow bodies of water. The powertrain has been optimized for silent operation, a critical feature for reconnaissance and stealth missions. The Marker can now reach speeds of up to 70 km per hour on-road and maintain high levels of stability during high-speed maneuvers or under heavy load conditions. The armament systems on the 2026 Marker are equally impressive. The vehicle can be outfitted with a variety of weapons, including a 7.62 mm or 12.7 mm machine gun, an automatic grenade launcher, and anti-tank guided missiles. One of the most notable configurations includes a remotely operated turret with stabilization for accurate fire while moving. The fire control system is linked with target recognition algorithms that automatically prioritize threats and can even coordinate with drone units or manned systems to execute joint attack protocols. A major leap from previous versions is the integration of drone swarming capability. The 2026 Marker can launch and coordinate small quadcopters or loitering munitions, giving it an aerial view of the battlefield and extending its surveillance and attack range. These drones feed data back to the Marker in real time, allowing it to build a dynamic 3D model of the battlefield, spot enemy movement, or even engage targets from the air if armed with micromissiles or explosive charges. Cybersecurity has been a core concern in unmanned systems, and the Marker addresses this with advanced encrypted communications, electronic warfare resistance, and backup protocols to avoid hijacking or jamming. In the event of signal loss, the vehicle can return to base or continue a previously programmed mission profile autonomously. Its AI systems also include fail-safes to prevent unauthorized actions or misidentification of targets. The modular design also means the Marker is future-proof. Military developers can easily swap out sensors, weapons, or communication modules as newer technology becomes available. For example, operators can upgrade the existing radar to a more advanced AESA radar or replace the existing optical sensors with newer quantum imaging systems as they become field-ready. This flexibility ensures that the Marker can evolve in parallel with rapidly advancing military technology without requiring a complete redesign. Another aspect that sets the 2026 Marker apart is its ability to operate in joint manned-unmanned teams. The vehicle can be linked with infantry units, manned tanks, or air assets through secure battlefield networks. It can serve as a forward scout for tank columns, identifying enemy armor or ambushes before human troops are at risk. It can also act as a casualty evacuation platform, delivering supplies to troops under fire or recovering wounded personnel without risking more lives. The user interface for the marker has also received a significant overhaul. Ground operators now control the vehicle using augmented reality systems, providing an immersive first-person view combined with AI-generated tactical overlays. This gives operators a level of situational awareness akin to that of a pilot in a fighter jet cockpit, through haptic feedback and voice command integration. Control is intuitive and responsive, even in high-stress environments. While the marker is an impressive platform in isolation, its real strength lies in networked warfare. The 2026 marker is designed to function as a node in a larger combat AI network, allowing it to share intelligence, sensor data, and mission updates with other robotic platforms, drones, and command centers. This integrated approach to warfare transforms the marker from a single asset into a force multiplier, able to coordinate precision strikes, relay battlefield intelligence, and support manned operations across a wide front. Field trials have demonstrated the marker's capabilities in diverse scenarios. From urban warfare simulations to high-speed desert maneuvers and cold weather operations in Arctic environments, it has proven itself capable of performing in GPS-denied zones. Under heavy electronic warfare pressure, and in asymmetric warfare conditions where insurgent tactics prevail. These capabilities make it highly appealing not only to national armed forces but also to allied nations seeking to modernize their ground combat units. In conclusion, the 2026 Marker Robotic Combat Vehicle is a remarkable symbol of where military technology is heading, combining autonomy, modularity, firepower, and artificial intelligence. It provides a powerful and flexible tool for modern military operations. As the role of robotics in warfare continues to expand, the marker stands out, not just as a machine,